Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Ripple on Binance. What you need to do, first just go to Binance and then log in your account and then you click here buy crypto and then you can choose card deposit or credit and deposit card or any of the payments here. I will choose credit and debit card. Here buy with your credit and debit card. I have here euro and you can change the currency. And here for example I need to write how much I want to spend. For example, if I choose €500 here Bitcoin, but I need to choose Ripple. Here is it. And this is what I will receive. I will receive 951.1. But if for example I have a special amount I want to receive from Ripple, I can write first here how much I want to receive. For example, if I want to receive 2,000, and here it will be the price. I need to spend 1051.45. After that, click continue. Now you need to verify your account and complete verification to continue with the payment method. But I will not pay it now, that's why I will not verify it now. But this is what you need to do if you want to buy Ripple on Binance. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.